Hello guys, welcome to the 11th video of Free Fiverr series with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. I'm back after a very long time because I got crazy busy with some projects on Fiverr and they took a lot of my time. But inshallah now I'll be regular with my videos and I'll soon wrap up this Fiverr series for you all. Thank you for showing so much love, encouragement and support in the comment section and in my message box as well. This means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Okay, an important thing about this Fiverr series is that in the last 10 videos we have covered all the basics of Fiverr. Like we have seen how you can sign up on Fiverr, how you can create gigs, how you can do keyword research and how you can do the SEO of a gig, right? All the basic stuff about Fiverr we have covered all of that in the last 10 videos. But from now on we'll move towards the advanced details of Fiverr. Like we will see how you can attract buyers, how you can generate sales, how you can manage your account, how you can withdraw money from Fiverr and all of that advanced stuff. From now on we will cover that, right? All right, now coming back towards this topic. Today we are going to discuss the top 40 best selling gigs on Fiverr that are on the top and going to be on the top in the next year and the coming years as well, right? So a lot of you people message me in my inbox saying that you're confused about the services you can sell on Fiverr or the niches that are available on Fiverr. So I decided to do a quick video on this topic for you all. So let's start. All right, I am in my Fiverr account right now. It's the buyer mode. So you can see in this section that there are a lot of categories here, like graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, and all of these categories, right? So these are the main categories that are available on Fiverr. When you hover over this section, you see a lot of subcategories in each of the main category. So in total, these are all the services that you can provide on Fiverr. These are the basic things that you can do on Fiverr, right? There are so many opportunities and so many options for you available here. But to make the entire process easy for you and to save you from the from doing all this research for yourself, if you're interested and you want to know how you can do the research, like for example logo design, I'm going to logo design and I want to see the competition for this gig. If I want to see if I'll be able to sell this service on Fiverr or not. So in logo design, you can see there are already 9,000 services available on Fiverr. So it's going to be pretty difficult for me to rank for logo design. So I'll dive down. I will select another niche in the logo design category and I will try to narrow down my options so that I can rank for that particular gig, right? So that's how you perform the entire research. I have performed that entire research for all of these categories and I have picked up top 40 best options for you. So let's have a look on those options right here. All right, so these are the categories. Let's start with best selling gigs for video and animation. So the first one is you can create whiteboard animation videos. This is the hot category on Fiverr. Like you can earn a lot from this. Why you can create whiteboard animation videos, you can do product demonstration videos, you can do video editing, you can create intros and outros for business, for promotional purposes, and you can do slideshow videos. They are simple ones, you can do that. It's a very easy service that you can sell on Fiverr. And the next category is best selling gigs for graphic designing. So number one is logo design, Photoshop editing, flyer and brochure design, book cover designing, architecture and interior design. So if you see the graphic designing section, it's very extensive. Like it has a lot of categories and subcategories in it. So I have picked up the best ones that are high in demand and that have great options for making money on Fiverr. So you can consider these categories for graphic designing. All right, the next one is best selling gigs for programming and tech. So this is web development. If you're a developer, you can provide your web development services. You can, if you can learn WordPress because it's a very trending gig on Fiverr these days. You can do mobile development, you can do e-commerce development. E-commerce is going to be the future. everywhere. So if you learn this skill, it's going to be really helpful for you in terms of making money on Fiverr, right? You can do game development. Game development is always the hottest gig everywhere, so you don't have to doubt that anywhere. All right, the next one is best selling gigs for digital marketing. So the number one is designing social media images. Like you can design images for businesses, for their Pinterest, for their Instagram, and all of those social media channels. You can create infographics for the blog posts for businesses and for people who run their own blogs. You can create infographic section for them. You can do email marketing. You can do organic and paid web traffic services. You can provide social media ads on Facebook, on LinkedIn and Instagram and all of those social media platforms, right? You can, okay, the next service is best selling gigs for website optimization. So here the best selling is high quality backlinks, but please consider I'm talking about high quality backlinks, not any kind of backlinks. If you're sure that you can provide high quality backlinks, so go for this service. You can also do on page and off page SEO service. You can optimize and improve the speed of websites. You can set up Google Search Console for businesses. You can track the metrics on Google Analytics, or install SEO plugins for people. And the next one is best selling gigs for writing and translation. So the number one is SEO content writing. In SEO content writing, you basically insert keywords in the content. Sometimes client provide you the keywords. Sometimes you search the keywords yourself and put them in the content, and you put them in a way that the content can rank on the Google in the best ways possible. So that's SEO content writing. So then second one is guest post writing. Third one is product descriptions. Fourth is proofreading and editing. If you are very good with your English grammar or any other language, you provide your proofreading services, but you have to be really good in this service, because a lot of professional people are providing this service on Fiverr. So you only have chance if you are really capable and if you have a very vast knowledge in this niche, right? Okay, the next one is document and video translation. Like people have to translate their documents from one language to another, their video scripts from one language to another. So if you provide this service, if you can do this work, you can provide this service on Fiverr, right? The next one is best selling gigs for business administration. So this is virtual assistant. You can serve as a virtual assistant for businesses online. You can manage their activities, their tasks, and provide your services virtually to that company, right? Data entry. If you have some free hours in your day, you are a student, or if you do any kind of job and you have some free hours in your day, you can provide your data entry services on Fiverr. If you have good voice, or if you have a great tone to speak things, you can provide your voiceover artist service on Fiverr. If you're related to the law field, you can provide your legal consultation services. And if you're an accountant, you can provide your tax. You can handle the tax queries of people on Fiverr or other stuff related to accounting. The best thing about this category is that the competition is very low. Like in the accounting section, the competition on Fiverr is very low, because not everyone can provide this service. It's not everyone's cup of tea. So it's very good niche for you on Fiverr if you're an accountant. All right, the next one is best selling gigs for lifestyle industry. So it's relationship advice. If you're a relationship coach and if you provide relationship advice to people offline, you can do that same online. But please remember, if you are certified in this sector, in this field, then only go for this service. If don't do any kind of scam with people, because if you do such things on Fiverr, you will get banned instantly. So only go for this sector if you're certified in it, right? You can create nutrition and fitness plans for people. You can provide them workout plans. It's a great service on Fiverr. You can provide spiritual and healing therapies to people on Fiverr. If you belong to art and craft section, and if you're very good with creativity, you can go for creating greeting cards and videos. You can create wedding videos, birthday videos, and a lot of that stuff for people on Fiverr. and the last one is online lessons. So if you're very good in some particular subject, you can create courses, or you can provide your tutoring services online. You can teach people on Fiverr. So that's another very good niche that you can cover. So it's all about researching the things and doing putting your best in the niche that you're going by choosing the best keywords that are available, right? Okay, I'm not leaving you hanging here, because I am going to show the next thing here, which is I have written a very detailed article about each and every category that I've discussed previously. So if you can see this section, here are best-selling gigs related to video and animation, and I have written about every service that I mentioned previously. I did not want to make this video unnecessarily long, so I tried to shorten up things. And if you are interested in the details, you can read this article, because it has all the information that you need. So check it out, because I have discussed all the details here for you people, and things are very detailed, explained in detail here. So give this article a read if you're interested. I have put the link of this article in description. I hope you will find it really helpful, because it contains all the details that you need about any particular category on Fiverr, right? So I hope you found this video really helpful, and it was a quick and short video for you all. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Take care, and I'll be back with my next video soon. Allah Hafiz.